Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I'm going to show you today the horseshoe and ring game. You may have seen this before. There's a ring that's stuck on the horseshoes, and so just by twisting them around, you can get that ring free. So as you can see, it's on here, and so what you want to do is simply stab it with one side, and it'll come right off. And so now I'll show you this in slow motion. So basically, just give it a twist and then stab so that that ring falls in between both of the horseshoes. And the hardest part here is now getting it loose enough that your other horseshoes can come together as a pair. So it takes a little bit of jiggling around, but eventually those chains will collapse and be free. To put the ring back on, you'll just slide it down to the base of the horseshoes and then give it a twist. And you want to make sure that you have it twist before the ring makes it to those links so it doesn't come out again. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. It's a pretty simple concept. It's more in the wrists once you've done it before. It's easier to do it by memory. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.